Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT Tab 10, and today I will show you how we can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, I want to open up settings, scroll all the way down to system, select advanced, and then select reset options, where you'll find the option for erase all data, factory reset. When you press on this, it will give you a message that basically performing this removes everything that is listed right here. Now, to be completely honest, in most of the cases, all you should probably care about are the three last options, which is music, photos, and user data, assuming you keep them locally on your device. The three above options are usually cloud-based, so or at least the info for it is. So accounts, you can just relog in. System and app data will be regained, and then downloaded apps, obviously you can re-download them from Play Store, and if you use the Google backup, Google will basically download it for you once you log in. So that's why I'm saying that the three lower options are more important. But anyway, so if you're planning to keep some of those stuff, do make a copy of it. If you don't, then progress by selecting erase all data, that once more, and this will now begin factory resetting your device. So this should probably take about a minute, maybe 2 minutes to finish up, and once it has, we should be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your tablet however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.